Hi, Linda Zuckerman here. Let's get organized for the Basic Skills module. This module will give you an introduction to the basic skills that every librarian needs. In addition to tips on basic searching, you will learn about the all-important reference interview and model reference behaviors. These behaviors are the foundation for creating a great relationship with your customer. We will expand upon this relationship by discussing how to create a welcoming and inclusive environment in our libraries. One thing we will not discuss is how to use your library's information system, or LIS. There are a number of different LISs across the state. Your system trainers will show you how to use your particular system. Let's get into more detail about what we will learn. We have a lot of learning objectives in this module. First, we'll demonstrate the use of model reference behaviors. We'll also list at least 2 differences between the reference interviews with adults and reference interviews with children. We should be able to explain the difference between a database and the internet in a way customers can understand. We should be able to list at least one Saylor database. We'll be able to describe the use of keywords, subjects, expanding the search or narrowing the search through limiters. We'll be able to describe the appropriate use of search operators, such as quotation marks and wildcards. We'll be able to analyze the credibility of information in a way customers can understand. We'll be able to list 2 ways to assess a website quickly. We should also be able to identify boundaries to a librarian's expertise, and also when and how to make appropriate referrals. We'll also identify key reference sources for common questions, and also to explain what excellent customer service looks like in your library system. Finally, we'll take a look at the difference between equity and inclusion. There are 8 lessons, 3 assignments, and 2 discussion board posts in this module. In Lesson 1, we will be learning all about model reference behaviors. Then your supervisor or colleague will watch you in action using either real or pretend customers. For your assignment, you will upload 5 completed reference behavior checklists and discuss your plan for improving your skills. In Lesson 2, we'll be learning about databases. And in your assignment, you will develop your own way to explain what a database is to a customer. Lesson 3 has tips for searching. We will be using Google and Explorer, but many of these tips may be used in any search engine or database. In Lesson 4, we'll be analyzing the quality of information that we find using the all-important CRAP test. In Lesson 5, we'll be discussing the kinds of questions librarians can answer and when we need to refer to an expert. Referrals to experts are part of our job too. In Lesson 6, we will be exploring resources like Marina, our statewide interlibrary loan platform, and brainstorming with colleagues about go-to reference resources. In Lesson 7, we'll discuss exceptional customer service, and in the 2 discussion forums, we will talk about our personal customer service philosophy and what good customer service looks like in your library. Finally, in Lesson 8, we'll talk about the importance of inclusion, making everyone feel welcome and feel that it is their library. Here are some tips. Don't overthink the assignments. The model reference behavior practice is just that, practice. As a librarian, you'll be working on these reference behaviors over the course of your entire career. Our goal now is to have you begin this work by having you identify your strengths and weaknesses and come up with a plan to improve your skills. The other 2 assignments will help you develop your own words to answer a common customer question, what is a database, and also to help you explore the concept of inclusion and what that really means to you. These are short answers, 100 words or less. Limit your open forum posts to 250 words or less. Focus on your customer. What does customer service mean to you, and what does it look like in the library? Don't agonize about the word counts in the assignments and forum posts. These are just guidelines so you don't make more work for yourself than is required. As always, be sure to ask questions. Your supervisor, system mentors, and LATI staff are here to help you. Finally, have fun. You will be finding new ways to help your customers.